Hi, this is Vicki Romaine with the Cheerful Greetings, and today we're going to work with some alcohol inks. I'm going to start with three. The colors are red pepper, pool, and purple twilight. So let's begin. I have a couple pieces of glossy cardstock here, and that's what we're going to be putting our ink on. I'm going to fast forward a lot of my videos so it won't be so long, and hopefully you will find it interesting to watch the process. So let's begin by putting our ink on the mat here, and we'll go from there. Now here's some of the cards I have put alcohol ink on, and now I want to emboss them. I'm using my Big Shot to run the embossing folder with the print through the machine to emboss it. And this particular embossing folder is a 3D folder. The first greenish blue pattern I put in upside downwards, otherwise my print is down on the folder, making it deboss. And the second one I put in my folder with the pattern design up, and that made it emboss. And you will see the difference in the two in a few minutes. I'm running all of my designs through different embossing folders. Here are my embossed designs, and they're very pretty. But wait, I have one more thing to do to them. My mystery tool is in my right hand, and what it is a buffing board or an emery board, and you get them in the Collor Street real nail polish strips that you buy to put on your fingernails. And if you look at my hands, you will see that I really don't need any nail strips because I managed to lose all my nails through crafting. But this board, or this little emery board, works really well at trying to get the top off of the embossed area. All of my alcohol designs have now been embossed and highlighted, and they really show up nicely. So now let's use them. I have made all of my alcohol designs into cards, and this is what we have now, which makes it some very interesting backgrounds on your card. This is what I came up with. This is Begin an Adventure. And here's one with kind of a snowy background. The best time for new beginnings is now. And there's a Tim Holtz lady in a fur jacket. And this one is the embossed one. And this one is the debossed one. Now you can decide which you like better. The embossed one says, a morning text doesn't only mean good morning. It also means I think about you when I wake up. And I got a sun at the top. He is actually, he was actually part of a belt. I think it had a ring in it, and was a little dangle. So I took it all apart, and I have my little sun up there. And this is the debossed one. You can decide which of the two you like better. This one says, good things take time. And that's a picture of the little girl with her flowers. Okay, and lastly is this one. This is the one I didn't really care for to begin with, but I think it looks nice. And it says, life was meant for good friends and adventures. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial. I hope you try it out. And if you will, come back and see me and see what I have in store for you for next time. And don't forget, please subscribe and have a great day.